Hi everyone, welcome to Charlie's Garage. As you guys know, I frequently like to try to find things online that I can review and do tests on to let you guys know if I think it's a good deal or if it's something that will help you in your career. Most of the time it's tools like, for example, light bands, headlamp that I'm going to do a review on later on. But sometimes it might also be for my fellow content creators. And in this case, we have this guy. And some of you guys may be familiar with them because they're advertising the crap out of these on TikTok and stuff. And they're made by Magic John. And what they are is they have a suction cup down here on the bottom side. They have a magnet on the other side to hold the phone. And they're made to where they can swivel and they can move to different angles and supposedly, kind of help you hold your phone, whether maybe you're watching a video on your phone and you just don't want to sit there and hold it in your hand, or maybe you're making content and you want to be able to set this up somewhere and then have it at the right angle to give you a good shot so you're not sitting there doing what I used to do a lot of the time, which is try to work on something with one hand and record it with the other. So I thought this would be something useful for me making these videos and doing training videos especially. So I will tell you that there's pros and cons to this guy, right? So I'll go with the one con first. The one con is that I wanted to be able to put this on a vertical surface, and especially on my truck, like on the window or on the display, and be able to do some of my videos for my Old Man Reacts channel, where I complain about traffic and other stupid stuff, right? But the problem is that even though my ride to work and from work back home is relatively short, it's only about 20-25 minutes for me to go either direction. And this thing has not made it the entire trip on any of those surfaces one time. That's always fallen. So that was the one con I have, right? But the pro is that when you put this on a stable horizontal surface, it stays there, right? And it's good that, if I wanted to set this over here, set my phone up on it, and record doing something, I'm not going to have to worry about this guy tipping over or falling or anything like that during the recording. It's going to stay where I put it. The suction cup is easy to use. It's got a release and an apply. And if you are working on something that maybe has a porous surface that this thing doesn't like to attach to, they send one of these with the holder. So this is a solid surface that you can put this on and then apply it and hold it onto that surface. And then it has sticky on the other side for you to use, right? So that's good. And the other thing that I really like about this that kind of outweighs the con for me, because I can use this on my truck's dash and accomplish what I was hoping to accomplish. I just didn't want to have to apply anything sticky permanently to my dash, but I can get around that and live with it. But what I really like is the magnet, right? So if you have a phone case like mine that has a big OtterBox, and you're not going to get any kind of magnetic seal on an OtterBox. It's too thick to attach to the phone. But the Magic John box comes with this magnetic. You can see the one that I got installed on my phone. And the one I ordered, it came with two of them. So I got this one and I got the one that I got installed. And so you just peel off the sticky piece. And that sticky stuff that they put on here to put it on the back of your phone, I feel like if I wanted to, I could peel this off pretty easily, but it doesn't come off unless you want to take it off, right? So, and then the magnet itself, you would think is a pretty thin little strip, but once you put the phone on here, it's pretty sturdy. And when I was trying to use this in the truck and I'm going down the road, this would fall off all the time, but I've never had the phone fall off of the magnet. So it's a pretty strong magnet. So I would say that if I had to grade this out of 10 stars, I'd probably give it about a 7.5. If you want something that's going to hold your phone and be able to put it at many different angles for you to get good shots that's cheap and affordable, this is the path to go. So even though there's certain things about it that I wasn't really happy about, I think it's good enough product for me to go ahead and put the link. If I thought a product was a complete and total piece of crap, I wouldn't offer you guys the link to it, and I would tell you straight up, don't buy this piece of shit. this is not a piece of shit. It's a decent product that I think you guys would be able to use, especially my guys out there that are thinking about making videos and need something as to do it with. This thing would work out great. So please like and subscribe. The likes make more people see this video. The more people that see my videos, the more I can get my message about diesel technology and recruiting technicians and training young people on diesel stuff, which I love to do. And the likes will help spread that algorithm, help get more people to see the video. Also, buying stuff from my links that I post in my videos helps me buy more stuff. Now, more stuff like actual tools and equipment that I can test out and give you guys feedback on, let you know if it's worth your buck, right? So thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And again, have a good one.